Every year, thousands of dogs lose their lives to preventable conditions. As a pet owner, this is heartbreaking, but it's also a reminder that knowledge truly saves lives. In today's video, I'll share the 10 leading causes of canine death in 2025, based on recent veterinary data, and how you can protect your dog in 2026 with the right care, nutrition, and awareness. Let's make this the year of prevention, not regret. Our dogs depend entirely on us for their health and safety. Advances in veterinary science have shown that most fatal conditions can be avoided through early detection, better lifestyle habits, and emotional care. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Every small change you make can add months or even years to your dog's life. Point 1. Cancer, neoplasia. Cancer remains the #1 killer of adult and senior dogs worldwide. Studies show that roughly 1 in 4 dogs will develop cancer at some point in their lives. The key is early detection. Regular vet checkups, blood tests, and awareness of warning signs, like unexplained lumps, sudden weight loss, or fatigue, are your first defense. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and limiting chemical exposure can dramatically reduce risks. Prevention starts with observation. Cancer develops silently and often shows no symptoms until it's advanced. That's why annual exams are non-negotiable. Early diagnosis gives you options: surgery, chemo, or nutritional therapy, and sometimes complete recovery. In 2026, commit to annual screenings. It could be the difference between treatment and tragedy. Point 2. Heart disease. Heart conditions, including congestive heart failure and cardiomyopathy, are among the most common causes of death, especially in small breeds and seniors. The warning signs are subtle: coughing, lethargy, fainting, or difficulty breathing. Heart disease is often linked to poor diet, obesity, and lack of exercise. Keeping your dog active with daily walks and feeding low-sodium, vet-approved food makes a huge difference. Prevention also includes dental care. Yes, poor oral hygiene can lead to bacteria entering the bloodstream, damaging the heart. Routine cleanings and dental checks every 6 to 12 months reduce the risk significantly. A healthy mouth means a healthier heart. Point 3. Accidents and trauma. Accidental injuries are one of the leading causes of death in young dogs. Car accidents, falls, and household hazards claim countless lives each year. Always keep your dog on a leash outdoors and use proper restraints in the car. Indoors, secure balconies and keep toxic objects out of reach. Training plays a crucial role in prevention. Teaching recall commands like come and stay can literally save your dog's life during an emergency. Awareness and boundaries are as important as affection. Point 4. Gastrointestinal diseases and bloat. Gastrointestinal issues, especially gastric dilatation volvulus, bloat, can kill within hours if untreated. Large, deep-chested breeds are at highest risk. Feeding smaller meals throughout the day, avoiding intense exercise right after eating, and using slow feeder bowls can help. Know the signs: unproductive vomiting, swollen abdomen, restlessness, and excessive drooling. If any of these appear, rush to the vet immediately. Quick response is the only cure. Point 5. Infectious diseases. Parvovirus, leptospirosis, and more. Even with modern vaccines, infections remain a serious threat, especially for puppies or unvaccinated dogs. Parvovirus, distemper, and leptospirosis are still responsible for thousands of deaths every year. The solution is simple: vaccination and hygiene. Never skip boosters, and avoid letting your dog drink from puddles or unknown water sources. Keep in mind that parvovirus spreads via contaminated surfaces and feces. Always disinfect your dog's area if they've been sick. Prevention costs less than one emergency vet visit. Point 6. Respiratory diseases, brachycephalic syndrome, and infections. Breathing disorders are rising, particularly among brachycephalic breeds like bulldogs, pugs, and shih tzus. Their compact skulls restrict airflow, leading to chronic distress and reduced lifespan. Maintain a healthy weight, avoid overheating, and monitor for snoring or wheezing. These are not cute. They're warning signs. If your dog struggles to breathe, consult a vet specialized in airway management. Surgical correction can improve quality of life and longevity, Breathing freely is living fully. Point 7. Kidney and liver failure. Kidney and liver diseases often progress quietly until it's too late. Common signs include increased thirst, frequent urination, vomiting, and dull coat. These organs work hard to filter toxins, so hydration and balanced nutrition are essential. Feed high-quality protein, avoid excess salt, and ensure regular blood work after age 7. Many over-the-counter medications and human foods can damage these organs. Never give your dog painkillers or supplements without veterinary guidance. Prevention is safer than repair. Point 8. Obesity and metabolic disorders. Obesity is the silent killer behind countless other conditions: diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, even cancer. It's estimated that over 50% of dogs in the US are overweight. The cure is simple but requires discipline, portion control, daily activity, and eliminating processed treats. Use a vet-recommended feeding plan tailored to your dog's size, breed, and activity level. Remember, love is not food. The best gift you can give your dog is health. Point 9. Euthanasia, due to chronic pain or untreatable illness. When chronic disease or pain becomes unbearable, euthanasia is sometimes the final act of love. While it's a heartbreaking decision, most cases stem from late diagnosis or lack of preventive care. The goal is to minimize suffering long before it reaches that point. Scheduling regular wellness exams, pain assessments, and using physiotherapy or alternative treatments can extend comfort and dignity. The earlier you act, the fewer difficult choices you'll face. Point 10. Neglect and lack of preventive care. The final and most avoidable cause of death is neglect, not out of cruelty, but from misinformation. Skipping vaccines, ignoring dental or weight issues, or failing to visit the vet regularly can shorten a dog's life dramatically. Your attention is the best medicine. Preventive care is not expensive compared to emergency treatment. Make 2026 the year you schedule those checkups, improve their diet, and learn your dog's normal behavior. Prevention is the purest form of love. Dogs don't need perfection. They need consistency, attention, and early action. Every small habit, from brushing their teeth to checking their paws, creates a ripple effect that leads to longer, healthier years. As we move into 2026, let this be our shared mission: to reduce preventable deaths through awareness, compassion, and informed care. Our dogs give us unconditional love. It's our turn to return it with responsibility. Together, we can make their lives not just longer, but happier and more peaceful.